Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of green thumbs and digital coordination as we explore how to use UPBASE for coordinating gardening projects. The first step in using UPBASE to manage your gardening projects is setting up your account and creating a new project. This is as simple as clicking on Sign Up and filling in your details. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space where we can plan, assign tasks, and track progress of our gardening endeavors. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step, which is inviting your team members. You'll find this option under the project settings. Inviting your team members helps to make sure everyone's on the same page and can access and update the project in real time. Next up, we're going to start adding tasks. Click on the Add Task button, describe what needs to be done, and assign it to a team member. This helps us because it allows for clear division of labor and ensures everyone knows what they're responsible for. Finally, we'll look at tracking progress. You can do this by checking off completed tasks and using the Project Overview feature to get a general idea of how the project is progressing. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking progress helps you see how your project is unfolding and enables you to adjust plans or tasks as needed. And there we have it. You are now equipped to use UPBASE for managing your gardening projects. Remember, the key to successful project management is clear communication, so don't forget to utilize the chat feature to keep everyone in the loop. And that's it for today's guide. Happy gardening and organizing, everyone.